what you're doing, but it's working. It's giving strong magician energy. There is a pivotal moment you went through. I think it was connected to this full moon in Scorpio. Something you acted in the 3D matter, something you said to the universe, you talked to God, you really did something in the action that showed God, the universe, the Most High, that you were done with your past. You literally took a leap of faith that you are still wondering how you did it, because it took so much strength and courage, but you're kind of aware and awakened to this truth. You know how it is work. If you want something, it's like if you want more, you do more. You know that if you don't move, the universe doesn't move. So you're aware of that, and you it's as if you were at a crossroad where you have to literally move out of your comfort zone if you wanted a different outcome. Obviously, like reshape your entire belief system to renew you always. Change is the only thing that truly matters and exists in this entire universe. And therefore, it's as if like the loop that we were talking about, you just could not take it longer. It's as if you observed literally your thoughts for the first time. I'm talking to people that have done a certain amount of work already into themselves, and you're like, but what the F? Like, I've been that, I've been doing that, I've been there, I've been just very obedient, and there is still some stuff that are very polluting my life or ruining my manifestation. And I saw you crying, I saw you screaming, I saw you be very angry, and something just clicked that you didn't choose you the entire time. It's as if due to your traumas, you were very focused on the outside, trying to save other people instead of you, because you're so genuine, because you're so beautiful, because you're just such an empath, because you're such an Ayoka, because you're a shaman, because you have natural gifting, healing ability. This is your essence. This is who you truly are. You're just a genuine, lovable, magnificent soul. Bear with me. I love you. I know who you are. You're matching this frequency to be able to find this video. I know how pure your heart space is, but you kind of lost yourself in this scenario of, yeah, you are a light worker, you are a healer. This is just how you're monetizing it and making your life the best out of it. But in this process, you've kind of lost because of your boundaries and the lack of boundaries, or just the lack of, I'm hearing, of being grounded and your boundaries and the solidity of your boundaries. You kind of lost yourself, because life is such a beautiful dance of always reorganizing, rebalancing your boundaries and yourself and finding peace within this dance. And it's as if you kind of literally, maybe also for the sake of love, because you used to love a person, or you have a specific member in your family, you really did something for them, or it could be also friendship, but it's as if you lost yourself in this process instead of focusing on you. Because always when you focus on you, when you think about yourself, when you really focus, I'm keep hearing focus, when you choose yourself, you allow others to go through the process, because you detach. Because always we forgot about this detachment process in the manifestation. We really want the other to match our frequency. We really want the other to understand what we are getting, the breakthrough we're going through. We want them, again, genuinely, from a place of love. But the other one is not made of the same. They're not the same zodiac sign. They're just so unique and different. They have to go through their own process, their own Kundalini awakening. They have the same chance that you have, but you cannot do the work for them. And this is such a courageous act to be able to step back and let God do its work. You can pray for the person that you love, or if you're, for example, single and this is your dream to just meet your person, stepping back and allowing God to, I'm hearing, aligning you exactly where you're going to meet your person. But this detachment is focusing on yourself, because you're going to love yourself. You're going to love what you do. You're going to fall in love with yourself. And therefore, you're going to vibrate at this love frequency. And therefore, this other person is going to be attracted, magnetized to you. And if the person needs to do some work, they're going to choose you because you choose yourself. And they're going to do the work for the sake of love. If they have, for example, in Twin Flame Journey, some work to do, unconsciously, the work is going to be made. And this is so beautiful. When you think about it, it's like, I'm hearing dig, I don't know what's the name in English, soak into that, meditate. Again, because this is so much new energy, I found my sanando con Los Angeles, so some of you could speak Spanish. And so, libertad. Oh my God. Benediction. Freedom, benediction. I cannot make this up. You're freeing yourself by recentering, coming back to yourself, giving yourself the love that you used to give to others. This is what the universe is waiting for you to do. Let others do their own path and at their own rhythm. This is also a proof that you trust God. This is literally a proof of faith. How do you trust God? And this is so beautiful. I'm connecting to your energy. Yeah. Detach. Focus on yourself. Focus on your growth. You're so magnificent. Give yourself all of this love. Feed your own energy, your own essence. Archangel Uriel is going to help you. And if you want to dig deeper, check my website. I'm offering powerful healing masterclass, codes, downloads, activation. Also one-on-one session. You can contact me via email. I will let the info in the description box below. I have new beginnings. And plegaria satisfecha. Maybe this is going to talk to someone. Okay? I don't understand this. But you see, you're about to have a Kundalini awakening. Understand who you truly are. For others to fall in love with you. And this is so beautiful. This is everything. It's coming back. Freedom. I love you. And until next time.